Hello, welcome to my channel. This is Black Hands here. Please extend a hand of friendship by liking my video and subscribing to my channel. Now let's get to it. In today's video, I'll be briefly discussing how I prepare for my soaping experience. I really like to make soap, however, I do have a separate full-time job, and in addition to that, I have 3 children, which is like 3 additional full-time jobs. So I have to do a lot of prep work ahead of time. So let's get to it. Here are some containers that I actually got from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to use these containers to put my additives in there. And my additives consist of kaolin clay and colloidal oatmeal. Hopefully I said that correct. But I add the colloidal oatmeal. I do it at 1 teaspoon per pound of soap. And I do that because it binds the skin, it forms a protective barrier, and it sort of has moisturizing properties with a gentle exfoliation for your skin. For the kaolin clay, I use that because it locks in the fragrance, it softens the soap feel, and it absorbs impurities from your skin such as dirt and toxins. And this is my handy dandy notebook. This is where I keep all of my soap recipes and the measurements for my additives. Like I said, I do 1/4 of a teaspoon per pound of kaolin clay, and then I do 1 teaspoon per pound of the colloidal oatmeal. So I have my recipes outlined by 1 pound, 1 pound, 2.5 pounds, 3 pounds, and 5 pounds. Now I label each container by either writing 2.5 or 5 to represent 2.5 pounds or 5 pounds. And I put the label on each container so I know for future references. Now these are actually containers that I used to use for my additives, which I really like. And they came from the Dollar Tree as well, but they didn't have any more, so I had to move on to a new container. Now moving on to oils. I prep all of my oils in containers as well. This is my palm oil. I just warmed it up and now I'm shaking it to make sure that it's fully melted before I put that in each of my different containers for my oils. So I measure my oils out based off of 2.5 pounds or 5 pounds. These are the containers that I typically use for my 2.5 pounds, and I got all of this from the Dollar Tree. And sometimes if I happen to measure out a greater amount of oils than what I was supposed to, I put a note on each of the containers. Now this container here is what I use for my 5 pound loaf of soaps. And I have 2 of those, but I already have one with soap in it or with oil in it, so I only have the one to show. This is a new container that I'm gonna use for another 5-pound oil measurement. After all of my oils are measured and in their containers, I put them over here in the corner on my countertop to be used in the future. So thank you all for watching, and please extend a hand of friendship by liking this video and subscribing to my channel. Bye bye.